So today we are going to study about iron. Now this is the periodic table, and this has all the elements in the world that things are built with. And here's iron right here, Fe. And it's labeled Fe instead of Ir because it used to be called ferrum. Ferrum, but that is iron. And so what is iron? Iron is what hammers are made out of. And a lot of gardening tools. And one of the properties, because each element has its own property, is one of the elements, one of the properties of iron is it's magnetic. And so what our journey today is, we are going to go look for iron in the environment. Where do you think I could find iron in the environment? We'll check in later.
Hey Dad, where are we going to find the iron?
Iron's found on the earth. And so we're going to go somewhere where something has been really heavy and made and ground the earth up into small little bitty bits and hopefully all the way down to the elements, and we'll see if we can find some iron elements. And where do you think that'll be? Here we are at the Eagle River. And we're here with Raleigh and me and our filmer Marlon and Sal. And this is where the river dumps into the ocean. You can see the mountains behind us. And we chose this spot because right upstream this way is a huge glacier. And that glacier is really heavy and can push down and grind the rocks up into sand. And so now if you look at all the sand down here, I'm curious if the black stuff is in fact iron. How do you think we can tell if this has iron in it? Can we shake it apart? What can we do? Think about it and come up with an answer.
So you can notice there's a little bit of iron on this magnet, but let's see if it's where iron is. And if you can see that, that iron from and there's a lot more iron over here. Let's see if this stuff sticks to it. I think that's the really sticky ones. And now let's look at it. That's a lot of iron. Let's get some more. I'm gonna drag it like this. And that's getting a lot.
You know what I want to do, Brian? I want to come out here and collect like a big mound of it and figure out how to melt it.
We should take a blowtorch to it.
And we got that much.
Is it still filming?
So here is the iron that Raleigh got out of the sand. And so it's almost 100% pure iron. See how black it is? And it was all magnetic. Now we have one that's more white sand and one that's more dark sand. And let's see how much iron is in each one of these. And this is something you can do too. You just need to get a container and go out to Eagle Beach, look for white sand and dark sand and put them in containers. See you at home.